We now have some unique details on the much-awaited iPhone 15 Pro. Prepare to explore the world of cutting-edge technology and learn about this flagship device's distinctive characteristics. A trustworthy source claims that the iPhone 15 Pro will be available in the gorgeous new color blue. In contrast to earlier stainless steel versions, this dark blue color with a gray undertone goes well with the new titanium material used for the iPhone 15 Pro. It has an attractive and refined appearance thanks to the brushed finish. The blue color has been seen on prototype smartphones, which suggests that it may be the last available shade for the next iPhone. However, it's possible that Apple may utilize it for testing and choose a different color for the final product. However, many Apple fans have shown interest in the blue version. The iPhone 15 Pro will wow you with its improved design and functionality in addition to its fashionable exterior. A more immersive viewing experience is provided by the device's smaller bezels. The volume and power buttons may also be moved slightly, and the mute switch will be replaced with a multi-purpose mute button. According to rumors, the iPhone 15 Pro will be powered by the potent A17 Bionic processor, which was developed using a 3nm manufacturing method. This will make it a powerhouse in the smartphone industry by ensuring higher processing rates and more efficiency. The iPhone 15 Pro Max will include a redesigned camera arrangement to accommodate a periscope lens that offers better zoom capabilities, which will excite photography fans. The Pro Max model will be the only one to offer this lens, elevating smartphone photography to new levels. Users of iPhones will benefit from ease as the USB-C port replaces the Lightning port and allows for quicker data transmission and charging. It's important to note that the standard iPhone 15 models will have exciting improvements as well and be offered in vivid pink, blue, and green hues. The excitement for the iPhone 15 Pro is at its height as the launch date draws near. The magnificent blue color, stylish form, and potent capabilities of this device will undoubtedly make a statement in the smartphone market. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.